Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to show you the tricks of the trade to get in fresh beats in Suno version 5.5. Without much ado, we're going to jump into Suno and I'm going to be showing you how I use the power of real instruments such as my trusty keyboard over here to get stellar output from Suno. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is go to Suno and set up the microphone to ensure that everything's going in. All right, so follow along with me and let me show you how it's done. Here in Suno, you want to go over to audio and record, and what I do on my keyboard is going to translate into Suno. But let me show you what exactly is going into Suno by giving you the overhead of my keyboard here. So to get the most out of Suno, I am first going to record a sample of my beat. So I'm going to hit the metronome, and then I am just going to begin playing what I have in mind for Suno. So about 100 and just 100 beats per minute. Go. So that's going to be like the first drum. And I'm going to put some percussion to my liking. So let's go. I'm going to do what we call a quantize. I'm going to quantize what I did. Now you can sweeten it to get some extra special sounds. Like you've got a lot more control over what you want Suno to do when you go this route. You know, most people will just prompt with text and then it's a toss-up. But when you prompt the way I'm showing you, you are going to get specificity. You're going to get something that is really precise. So now I can add in my strings. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now you're hearing it being formed. All I need to do one more time is quantize this, and now it's all quantized. Guess where we're going next? You got it. We're going into Suno. Now we're in Suno. I'm going to hit this button, and I'm going to start off by feeding it with my idea, and I'm going to go to my mixer first because I want to bring things in bit by bit. I want to bring them in bit by bit. So I'm going to hit record, and then I'm going to start off like this. See, it's all going into Suno. See that? Then I'm going to bring in strings. Watch this. Let's go. I want you to listen to all the detail that I'm going to be putting into Suno. Hear that? Okay, let's bring in the strings. right, no instruments. I want you to listen to this because Suno's gonna do exactly what I'm asking. Watch this. Watch the final chord. All right. So we're done with our recording. We're going to hit stop. We're going to let everything come in. And honestly, with a prompt like this, there's not much else you need to tell Suno. It gets the message loud and clear. Now, what I like about version 5.5 is it is going to be able to interpret what it heard, and it's going to give itself a description of this jam, which is absolutely mind-blowing that Suno can hear your waveform. You see that right there? Neo soul and R&B instrumental. The track features a syncopated drum kit. I mean, I don't even need to change this because it's right on the money. Now, let's say I wanted an additional feature. I could say right at the beginning where it's still noticing what I'm saying loud and clear. I could say soprano sax, soulful expression. That's all I need to do. That's all. And over here, crank up that style. The audio influence is already quite prominent. And I could just say neo R&B jam. And over here, for now, as you can see in the lyrics, Suno, while there are no lyrics, is putting like a breakdown of the instrumentation. So to supersize this and make sure it gives me a good serving, I'm just going to put it there twice so that it makes it a long track. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I could crank this all the way up, but I want Suno to give me some of its secret sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and hit create. And before your very eyes, you are going to see Suno in action because Suno knows what it's doing. I could take this same prompt and give it to another tool, and it will be interesting to see if it can replicate as good as Suno can, because Suno knows its music. It's smart. I don't know what they're feeding that thing, but I tell you, Suno is the bomb. Check this out. I'm already speaking like I heard it. I ain't heard it, but I know what Suno's gonna do. Check this out. amazing jam. Whoa! I mean, the jam is too long. I mean, it's going up to 7 minutes, which is really cool. Let's see how well it mimics what I did at the end. Actually, let's listen to my actual recording. So it's a very clean and that was fed directly from my keyboard, directly into Suno. It pretty much got it. That sounds spot on. All right, now let's listen to the part where Suno really shows it knows its chords. It really nails this part. Check this out. Got flued out. Woo. All right, my friends. I hope you've had fun so far checking out how to get these beats using non-conventional methods. I look forward to seeing you again. Hopefully, I will see you again soon, and we'll be able to talk more about these topics and give you some more demos. Bye for now.